That weird rumbling sound your guinea pig makes isn't random, it's a secret message. Everyone thinks pig is just squeak for no reason, but that's low-key so wrong. Picture this baby guinea pig, tiny paws tucked under her fluffy round body, totally still. When you pet her soft little head, she starts vibrating with this deep, gentle purr. And NGL, the way this tiny guinea pig melts into your palm hits different every time. But the real plot twist isn't the purr itself, is what the pitch actually means. A low, slow purr means your guinea pig feels safe, loved, and completely content. A high, fast purr, the baby's annoyed and telling you to back off, no cap. Then there's the weak, that loud squeaky scream when the fridge door opens. Your guinea pig literally memorized that sound because it means dinner's finally coming. So hit that follow button and never forget the moment you realize that